So, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Today, I got a question for you all. What if back in the days, the time of Wall and Andes, there was also a TPOB? Do you think Wall would have been the #1 best-selling hair clipper or TPOB? So now leave your comment in the comment section below and tell me. Alright, so stay tuned. Yo, I hope you all leave a comment in the comment section below. Just like I said before. And today I'm gonna unbox TPOB Go. Today just an unboxing, and the next one I'm gonna make a comparison with other clippers. Yeah, that's it. And this is TPOB Go. Got a USB-C charging, velocity grip for enhanced control. Okay, got 9,000 RPMs, got 2 speeds, 4 hours runtime. It includes 4-hole brackets, which is good. Can fit any blade, I guess Andes or something like that, Andes blade. And the side looks like this, the back side again, and the other side nothing. And here TPOB Pro, and here TPOB Pro. Okay, the back side, it written got the 4-speed 7,000 RPMs, and with the turbo speed got 9,000 RPMs. Okay, and comes with a architect blade, which is good. I guess it's a deep ridges or something like that, and that makes it more crunchy, which is good. And what I also saw, it comes with a thin cutter blade. This one I really like. Five clicks. It's written battery and LED system with 4 hours lithium battery. Okay. And the indicator, when it's green, that means it's fully charged. When it's red, that means 30 minutes remaining, which is good. When it's flashing red, that means 10 minutes remaining. Not bad. Okay. And when it's on the dock, red, that means charging, green, charged. Guide comes. So let's see. Let's open it and see what it got for us inside. Inside comes like this. Okay. Yeah. Go. Let's come to the inside here. Comes with a charging dock. TPOB. So comes with a USB-C. This is really nice. And when it's charging, then it's charging with this pin, with these 2 pins, which is good. Okay. Got a little weight to it. It's a good quality, which is good. And here, the small one. Let's open it. And we're gonna see. Oh. Comes with extra blade. It's not coming out. I don't know why. Take it out from this side. Okay. Some screws. Okay. And a cutter blade. as you can see, with a cam follower. Okay. So what else? Inside comes with this. I don't really know what this is, so we're gonna open it later. The manual, brush, USB-C charging, adapter, screwdriver, and a lot of guide combs. Okay. Oh, a double magnet. This is nice. This is nice. Yeah, the quality is good. Really nice. I hope he got the smallest one. No, no. Oh yeah, he got the smallest one. He got his 0.5. Yes, 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 yes. You see that? Nice one. Okay. As you can see. This is nice. This is good. Inside. Okay. So it's a 10 guide combs here. It's nice. Really good. So this one, I don't really know what this. Oh, it's really. Okay. Ah, these are some cards. Okay. Karen. I don't know. Who is Karen? TPOB. Karen UK Beach. Okay. 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 You see that? Okay. This is the hair clipper from TPOB.
6. Aber oben mache ich 6 wieder. Das passt alles, gell? Kann ich sehen, gar nicht.
And this is the TPOB Go. Very nice clipper. USB charging port. And when you put it on the charging dock, it's charging with 2 pins, which is nice. And this is the Architect blade. And it's a deep tooth ridges, as you can see. And that makes it more crunchy, which is good. And comes with a thin cutter blade. I like a thin cutter blade, which is good. Like I said before, comes with a 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is good. And I have to say, looks good, feels good on the hand, and This should be the best hair clipper 2025.
Und das sind immer die besten Kunden dann, dass die halt die kommen und damit erledigt sind. Und ich sage, passt, was kostet, okay, passt, dann mache ich das. Ja. Ich bin nicht
Mm-hmm. And here you got a power button for speed 7,000, and with the power with the turbo button you got 9,000. It's really nice. TPOB really nailed it this time around. This is one of the best hair clipper 2025. And if you want to buy this hair clipper, you can use my discount code ADO15. Go to the website, either the one of USA or the one of UK. Use my discount code ADO15 and get 15% off. So and holding it, it feels really nice. As you can see, it's just like this. It feels really nice. Really. The grooves here. See the grooves? Really nice. It's not too much curved, but curved. And it's, my God, TPOB nailed it. Yeah, TPOB nailed it.